Alright, let's fucking talk about the AMD Radeon RX 7900M. This beast isn't just another graphics card, it's a goddamn fireworks show jammed into your laptop. We're talking RDNA 3 architecture, which is fancy nerd speak for hey, we're blowing the doors off last year's cards. It's packing a metric shit ton of stream processors, cranking out performance that'll liquefy your eyeballs in glorious pixels. Now you want to game in 4K on a goddamn laptop? Go for it. Because this bastard doesn't flinch. It gobbles up high settings like a stoned teenager at an all-you-can-eat buffet. Ray trace, yeah, it does that too. Shadows, reflections, shit looks so real you'll wonder if you're still in your dingy apartment or trapped inside a fever dream. And let's not ignore the memory setup, 16 gigabytes of GDDR6. That's not just flexing, that's bench pressing your entire game library with one hand while flipping Nvidia the bird with the other. VRAM bottlenecks? Not with this chunk of silicon, baby. But here's where it gets wild. Efficiency. Unlike the old days when gaming laptops doubled as space heaters, the RX 7900M is built to kick ass without melting your thighs off. Smart power management, custom cooling solutions, damn thing's cooler than a quantum physicist at a LAN party. Yeah, some people cry about driver support or whatever. Boo-hoo. AMD's got their shit together these days, and the Adrenalin software suite lets you tweak, overclock and monitor everything until your inner control freak passes out from happiness. Bottom line, the RX 7900M is a beastly motherfucker that drags high-end desktop power into your backpack. For gamers and creators who want to annihilate the boundaries of what a laptop can do, this card doesn't just raise the bar, it smashes the damn thing to atoms.